Heart sound, okay. So the heart is associated with the element fire, and it's associated, season is the summer. And this sound specifically is said to vent heat from the body, right? So when the way the sound is made is you bring the tongue a little bit up to the top, and then the sides of the tongue lightly touch the back sides of the teeth, and the sound will travel over the tongue through the mouth. You slightly draw the lips back and let the mouth gape open a little bit. Okay? The sound is h, which is the consonant and vowel is he. So it's h. And I can feel my chest vibrate when I create the sound. Okay? So it's h. Try it. It actually feels great. And you know, like I said, it's about venting heat. So you can actually, if you feel hot, if you feel vexation, if you tend to run with what we call heart fire, you can pronounce the sound, 20 times, and you'll cool right off. So it's almost like you're going, and so the heat is coming off the chest, right? The other thing about the heart is that it's associated with fire, and so the heart fire is actually designed in the body to move downward, right? It goes in this down direction, and the water from the kidneys comes up and cools off the heart, right? So it's this dual action where the water goes up and then the fire goes down, right? So there's a system in the body that creates movement of energy that may actually be counter to nature, right? So it's almost like a machinery. So, your heart fire, normally what does heat do, right? It goes up, right? So where's the attic in the body? It's in the head, right? So actually, with a healthy person, they have this machinery working where it's actually pushing the fire down, right? So you don't have like a red face and, vexation, mouth sores is another heart fire symptom, among many other things, insomnia. So what we really try to do here is one is direct the heart chi down, and then as well vent any excess through the breath, right? So ha, ha, and again you should be vibrating here. So first, when you pronounce the sound, breathe in through the nose. After pronouncing these sounds, what you want to do is you want to inhale, slow down the inhale through the nose. And then when you're ready to pronounce the sound, you exhale the sound. Good. So I plan to do an element each week, and then I'm not sure if I'll do it in a live or if I'll actually present the whole series, but I'd also like to at some point present the guided movements with the sound, right? So anyway, stay fresh, beautiful weather, nice and cold, but we get a little snow up here in Kingston. So thank you very much, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, okay?